Picture this, a dimly lit lab buzzing with the hum of sensors and soft bleep. Dr. Lee flips a switch, and suddenly, the body of a volunteer glows on the screen. Rivers of heat tracing every pulse of arousal. This is not sci-fi. This is the cutting edge of body studies and sex research. We start at midnight, when most of the world sleeps, but our team dives deeper into the human body's electric secret. Emily, a dancer turned scholar, straps on a wearable device that measures tiny shift in skin conduction. With every breath, her body tells a hidden tale. Spikes here, lulls there. She laughs as the data flutters on our laptop. I never knew I could blow like this. Next scene, an art gallery transformed into a lab crossover. Volunteers lay on soft mats under infrared camera. They touch different parts of their own bodies, arm, neck, lower back, and watch as color waves ripple on display. Each fingertip leaves a fingerprint of pleasure and tension. Scholars crowd around, notebooks in hand, scribbling notes on how bodies speak their own language beyond words. Suddenly, a playful twist. We hand out small mirrors. Participants watch real-time heat maps overlaid on their own reflex. Some gasp, others smile, tracing the glowing contours of the cheeks and collarbone. In that moment, the body becomes storyteller, revealing chapters of desire, shyness, excitement. We witness how culture, memory, even childhood games shape where and how we feel pleasure. Cut to a rainy afternoon in a community center. We run a workshop teaching body literacy. People draw maps of their own sensation, red dots where tingles erupt, blue lines where calm flows. Conversations spark. I never felt that there. This spot surprises me. Together, we rewrite old scripts that said the body was a silent, inscrutable machine. Back in the lab, data transforms into art. We stitch together heat map collages, projecting them as living tapestries in public square. Passers-by marvel. Is that me glowing? They step forward, curious. They learn that each body is a landscape of secret rivers and hidden valleys, waiting to be explored. By the final scene, we've turned science into story. We've shown how simple tools, sensors, mirrors, crayons, unlock deep insight. Researchers lean forward, eyes shining. They see not just numbers, but living, breathing bodies, teaching us about consent, intimacy, pleasure, and the power of knowing ourselves, from skin to soul. So what's next? A global body mapping festival where every person brings their own glow to the conversation. Imagine millions of bodies lighting up City Square, each pulse a beacon of shared knowledge. That is the frontier of body studies in sex science. Exploring, mapping, and celebrating the electric poetry beneath our skin.